Video, I'm going to show you how to back up to DVD or CD using Omniview. I'm going to start Omniview and log in. The Omniview work list will show up on the screen. From here, we're going to click on the CD Backup tab, and we're going to select the date range for the exams that we're going to burn to a CD or DVD. And I'm unchecking these boxes on the study date, and I'm going to hit search. And it's going to bring up all of the images that you have on the Omniview database. We can narrow the search by selecting a date range, and I'm going to select the month of January 2004. I'm going to click on January 1st as the start date and end with January 31st. And now I'm going to refresh the screen by clicking search, and it's going to bring up the studies that fall within that date range. Now if I'm backing up to DVD or CD, I have two options. I can either copy the files to a DVD or CD, or I can move them and remove them from the hard drive. And this is useful for clearing up hard drive space on your computer. For this example, I'm going to move the month of January off my hard drive and move it to a CD or DVD. Before burning the DVD, what I'm going to check is close, and I'm going to go to options and click on preferences, and I'm going to click on the environment tab. I need to make sure that narrow burning ROM is checked before I can burn to a DVD or CD. You should have Omniview running with narrow burning ROM 6 or higher in order to do CD burning. I'm going to go back to the work list, and I'm under the CD Backup tab. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of the studies under January by clicking Select All, or you can hold the Control key and select individual images. From here, I'm going to click Move because I'm going to move these files off the hard drive onto the DVD. And since this is for archiving purposes, I'm going to include the report, which will include annotations made to the images and also the report. And I'm going to include a Dicom directory for easy retrieval. I won't necessarily need the simple viewer, because if you're using this feature with Omniview, you can actually retrieve all the images from the CD using the Dicom directory. The CD backup paths should not be changed. This is a temporary directory where the files will be moved to, and then it will be burned to the CD/DVD ROM. You do not have to select your DVD burner on the path right here. Next, we're going to select the compression for the images. We can select lossless JPEG to store images without image quality loss and maximize the space on the CD or DVD. I'm going to select lossless JPEG. Next, we want to select your DVD or CD burner, and we're going to check the box Direct CD Burning. Once we've checked all our settings and everything is correct, I'm going to back up. You're going to click Yes to the prompt. This prompt is there to inform you that you've selected to include the report. Next, you're going to be prompted to delete all the images in the temporary folder. This is the C:/temp folder. We're going to click Yes. And now the CD burning process has been completed. My computer has now ejected the CD. And please keep in mind that if you use the move function that you are actually removing these images from your hard drive. If you do not want to do that, use the copy. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to push the CD back in, and I'm going to show you how to retrieve the images from the CD. And now I've just reinserted the CD into the CD-ROM drive. And I'm going to click to go back to the database. Depending on how your settings are on Windows, the CD-ROM will automatically open a window. We can ignore this and just close it. Now from the database screen, we're going to click on Backup CD, and it will automatically pull the images off the CD. I'm going to go back to the local database to show you that those same images are no longer on the work list. I have successfully moved it to the backup CD. To retrieve the images back into the local database from the CD, what we can do is select the patient or exam that you want to move back to the local database, left click, then right click and send to folder. We're going to import it into our local database and we're going to click send. Once that's complete, we can click close, go back to the local database and refresh, and here we have that exam. If you want to import all of the images on here, what we can do is press Ctrl A, right click, send to folder, and click send. I'm going to click close and go back to the local database, and here we have all of our January studies.